Are your yellow teeth bothering you? Well, me too. So let me show you what happened when I used the My Smile at-home teeth whitening kit. The first thing I did was measured my tooth color against the tooth shade finder. On a scale from 1 to 20, mine are coming in about an 18 or 19. The kit says it'll whiten up to 10 shades, so we'll just see. The first time I did it, I filled up the tray with the gel and then I stuck it in my mouth and it automatically cuts off at 10 minutes. Now you can do this for a total of 7 days in a row and then they recommend waiting for 6 weeks to do it again. On my second try, I learned that you could actually paint it on your teeth and it did a better job and I didn't waste as much gel. Now there's enough gel in the syringe to last for a 7-day treatment period. And there are 3 syringes full, so you can do this 3 times 6 weeks apart. By the third day, my teeth were in the 4 to 5 range instead of the 18 to 20 range. There's my before color, and here's what they look like after 4 days. They're still a little yellow. So much better. Tap the card on the front of the video if you want to try this.